Hello everyone. Today we will make a wonderful warm headband. We will be making this from an old sweater, so we will need a knitted sweater. You can buy it second-hand or find an unwanted sweater in your closet. I cut out a rectangle measuring 20 centimeters by 59 centimeters from the back of the sweater, or it will be 7.8 inch and 22 inch. We arrange the fabric along the floors as we see in the video and sew. Next, we see what I did without an overlock, but I think this will not affect the quality. We turn the fabric inside out and make a knot. We put the lower part on the top and the top on the bottom. Everything is like in the video and sew. Then we cut it off a little so that it does not interfere, and I will replace the overlock with a lighter. I will cinch the fabric. Everything, our product is ready. Now we can safely dress and wear it.